Mulekera mangana rengete chisemi boigo imeye kaunti ya Kisii omuyega buno uyu ni gokorekana se skuru y'Omwari eyo gotoka se bunge ya bonchari ya wasabarai aho baikirana korwa se serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii amuna abwatani be chisemi asabate abuna bagendere gosira mangana rengete chisemi anena se bunge ya bonchana nabo mu bunge bwenseme yo taikirana tinere asomo yega boli tukolya lero asokonyara gochengera bokaliyo buya anasenseme chisemi ase skuru y'Omwari secondary muleketon demo Noroboti orwa senchera yoboikirano.
Omochengo nigo bwata insasa secondary ya St Vincent Omwari imea bonchari asabageni amona abaiboli basanga somochengo bwemini ya isano na ibere nuguta isano nemo na abana chimi ibere na isano no yome kugenda ase university korwa sama chibwa KCSE omwako eta
ndate basitkolia rero konyeturiganyirete mono korengana abana baito ba 2022 bakoreta matemu aso gukora buya na intweke togotara nabo kweiwa buya
na gokire sana ko bagaiga sherehe yapangegete buya kabisa abaiboli be Omwari narorire beruete kabisa school principal na bali bo Omwari beruete buya kabisa narore nono na abana bo kenchira bagotare se compound gaiga na abana bali very disciplined na narorira maya guchugosio ase school yetu y'Omwari.
Omoteneri bwechisemi ase sub county ya Kisii South sospita were nigasabira abaiboli abaorokia na abaorokiwa gosira na gwetere bikaro elio gosira chisemi ase sub county eyo yarikie mini ya inye nuguta isano asa machibu yo mwako eta
ni kuuliza all board of management wa Kisii South waunge walimu wakuu mkono, sababu wasipofanya kazi na board of management vizuri ama board management isipofanya vizuri na principals ama head teachers, shule zetu hazitafanya vema. Kwa hivyo nawasihi wote wafanye kazi na principals, wawapatie heshima na wazimu wakuu wapatie heshima tena ili shule zetu zisimame imara.
Iko tunashukuru na ntoka tebanga bali Omwari tunashukuru kwa kazi nzuri principal ile kazi ambayo anafanya nega shingia na ntoka tebanga principal ai Omorembe
para bambuli ngandosie eye kurubotori yache secondary na rura hadi na atebirega nga muna kibasia serikali kikosoa enere para nkorosie ntangane se program ya nea ngochakira muno mwensi
abageni baikirana mbakwanda chinjire serikali ya Kenya gwetere wizara ya chisemi erasire chisemi ime ya Kenya amuno muroberio monyia o competency based curriculum CBC.
I think what must be done for the Kenyan education system to grow, in particular here in the communities, is to have a working partnership between the students, the teachers, the community and government. And more importantly, what we need to have, particularly from the policy side, is that we need to focus on the curriculum that not only fits the Kenyan market, but the curriculum that must fit the global market. Because today, the world is very interconnected. Our students are not necessarily going to work within Kenya. They might also want to work beyond the country. And because of that, the policymakers need to be in a position where we prepare students for the global market.
Kwa hivyo tunataka wazazi waendelee kusupport walimu wetu as we wait for capitation from the government. Najua itakuja, ni kungoja tu kidogo, serikali italeta pesa na maisha itaendelea. Lakini for now, let us support our principals, walipe hiyo lunch program.
Ambayo wamefanya shule iko biento.
Onyeje skuru chigendete kwero belia sava orukikonyara kweriga nivosiwa matema manena Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education KCSE nigo chiskuru cha sabiru konyara koremereria ase serikali gwetere wizara ya chisemi asomorerwa gukuru gwechivesa gukia cheskuru emanyekaine buna capitation fee ase wizara ya chisemi egente buna sama tukarebosio chiskuru nyara ko bachanyorire ni beiwo kuripoteria Ndizi TV korwa iga sense ya Omwari Secondary School Riana Ward Bonchari constituency.